What if I told you that just 5 minutes a day could change your life? A busy office worker in New York said he never had time for the gym. Long hours, stress, and low energy became part of his daily routine. One day, he made a simple promise: just 5 minutes of exercise every morning. 5 minutes of jumping jacks, squats, and burpees. That's it. After a few weeks, he felt stronger, had more energy, and even started losing weight. The lesson? You don't need hours in the gym, you just need to start. Your future self will thank you for the 5 minutes you invest today. Follow Health Gear Guide for more fitness tips and daily motivation. Title: The 5-Minute Exercise That Changed His Life. This smart fitness watch tracks your heart rate, calories burned, steps, and sleep 24/7. Want smarter workouts? These fitness gadgets can track your progress, boost performance, and help you reach your goals faster. Follow Health Gear Guide for more fitness tips and gadget reviews.
Subscribe now, turn on notifications, and stay with Health Gear Guide for daily fitness tips.